Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today guys is an upgrade and quick review video for you guys of some cool tech that I found, especially if you're like me and are out doing adventures and you're kind of on the water either really early in the morning or pushing it at night. I've got some nav lights that you can install on your Sea-Doo. So let's go check those out, okay? All right, let's go. All right guys, so the brand that I got is called Attwood. And this is the front one, so it's got the red and green with two LEDs in it. And what I was able to do is, this is a clip, and I was able to take a GoPro mount with a J clip, and then what I did is I drilled, there's two little small holes because it's supposed to be for like a clamp that you can clamp on. I drilled the hole a little bit bigger in the plastic right on the actual clip here, and then I took a threaded mount and screwed it in nice and tight, and that's how I've got this to be mounted. So take a look so you can see how I did it. A little handyman's corner, but that's all right. And then this one is the rear white light, comes with a pole, and then what I did so I can mount it is I took a bolt through the pole again into a little GoPro mount like that, just so you can see the mount and how it is. And then I'm just gonna clip it with this GoPro clip to the back. And again, like I said, you can easily take this off for storage. You can just pop it out for storage, put it in your bin so it breaks down a little bit. And the pole itself breaks down, it's just a spinning pole, so you can just, so it makes it even smaller for during the daytime if you need it. So let's mount these up and I'll show you what it looks like, okay? All right, so we've got the rear white light mounted. And like I said, just GoPro clamped it onto the grip part. And there it is right there. Nice. So there's your backlight. And then I have the front nav light. So I have this mount on my GoPro, or on my Sea-Doo always, that is for when I'm doing filming and stuff like that. But obviously, filming at night, probably not going to be happening to do much. So I just have this, it just clips in like that, and boom, just like that, you've got your nav lights. It's subtle, you're not installing LEDs, takes 3 AAA batteries into it, shockproof, waterproof. It's absolutely fantastic. And to operate it, you just click a button and like, boom, look at that. Oh yeah, boys, lit up and ready to go. That, and then I'll turn on the back one, same thing, click the button and there's your backlight. How awesome is that, right? Now I do have to do a little bit more work down here. I find it's a bit wobbly, so I'm going to re-secure it probably with some super glue and or epoxy just to hold it in place on this little bit of the clip. Just sacrifice this to always being there because I can still detach it from the actual clamp. But lights there, shining bright. Okay, click it off. And again, if you look at the front, minimalistic, looks great. Kind of matches the gray with the almost gray or grayishness of the Sea-Doo. And it's not super obstructive, you know what I mean? Like, I was thinking about putting like LED lights in and stuff like that, but then you got to run wires and all the things like that. This Attwood nav light, absolutely fantastic. Cost me, I think, maybe 60 bucks Canadian, 60 bucks Canadian. So it's probably cheaper. And I mean, I got it at a Canadian Tire up here in Canada. I've seen it on Amazon. I've seen it on other stores like that. Walmart, I think, had a version of it, but this is the version you want to get. There's different ones that like a puck, but this looks the best. So I'm going to kill the lights in here. It is daytime, so it's not going to be perfectly dark, but just so you can kind of see how bright these actually are. But again, like with daylight on, you can still see how bright that is on the camera, you know, so it works. So let's hit the lights out and see if it makes it a little bit easier for you guys to see, okay? All right, guys, so we got the lights out. I'm gonna start at the back here. So the nav light. Then click on that. And there you go. You've got your navigation. White light at the back, red and green at the front. So guys, highly recommend this. You know, great gift for any of your people that are at sea doing. Just takes a little bit of work making sure you got the right mounts, but look at that. Fantastic. And then, like I said, you got the white light at the back here. So works great. Turn that off. Like you can even see, it's bright enough that it's shining on the door of the garage there, green and red. I don't know, with full daylight. So you're not going to run into problems there. So, all right, guys. Well, I hope you like that little, you know, not install because I did it, but product review and an idea for you guys to get if you are at all out on the waters in the nighttime on your Sea-Doos, or you know, a chance that you might be a little bit in the dusk or early dawn. Absolutely cool little feature. I will do a summertime review once I'm out on the water with it, but I'm telling you, it looks really good from here. So I'll leave all the information for this product below in the description. You know, check it out if you like. If you have any questions about it, please shout me out, let me know. Be glad to answer to you. Like I said, a little bit of handiwork to work on the GoPro mount, but it worked absolutely great. Again, all I did was drill a little hole to make the hole that's already there a little bit wider to fit the screw into it. And then I did a little jerry rigging on the back. But I will update you and tell you how it is while it's on the water in the springtime. But until then, I'm thinking this is going to be a great little add-on to the Sea-Doo. So hope you guys like this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you guys again soon on the water. But until then, be safe out there. All the best, and until the next video. Peace!